Hi, today I want to show you how to add a test to your Google Classroom. Come over here to the right, select Create an Assignment, and name it. We're going to just simply call it Cakes Test, covering foam cakes, shortened cakes, cupcake wars, those kinds of things. Add the instructions. I always like to remind them that they need to finish it before they go out of the program, otherwise they will need to start over. We're going to make a due date, and the due date, I want them to be sure and do it by the end of the day. If a student needs to make it up, I usually extend the date. This is going to actually be given on this Tuesday, so I want it to be completed by 11:59 p.m. So we'll go ahead and click the Assign button. We're going to schedule it. I don't really want this to show up in the classroom before 8 o'clock a.m. because I don't want them getting into it early. For each class, you could change the time if you would like. So with this, we have a scheduled post. We have reminded it. We're going to double check our settings. We need to add it. I'm going to just simply add it from Google Drive. Here we have the cakes test that I'm putting on the thing. We're going to do grade importing, and we're going to go ahead and do that. We're scheduling it. It's showed up here as a scheduled post. It will post on May 21st at 8 o'clock a.m. and I believe we are ready to go. So there you have it, adding a test to Google Classroom.